children, how are you? Hope all of you are safe at home. Anyways, I am Miss Mousumi, teacher of Deepal School, Barampur, going to start the online computer classes for the academic year 2020-21 for class 4 students. So let us start. The first chapter, computer devices, includes different computer devices under which children will learn about input devices, processing devices, output devices and storage devices. Learning objectives for today's session. In today's session, children will learn about data and information, basic functions of computer and different types of devices of computer. Before starting anything, let us first learn what is a computer. A computer is an electronic machine made up of various devices that is used to generate meaningful information from raw data. First, it takes the raw data, then it processes the data and gives us meaningful result or meaningful information. Children, in our day-to-day life, we use many machines, but computer is considered as the most popular machine due to its certain features or characteristics. The features or characteristics are like accuracy, means it gives 100% result, correct result. Speed, it gives us the result very high speed, very quickly. Diligence means without tire, it works for long hours. Versatility means different types of works can be done. And storage, it can store huge amount of information for future use. Not only that, today in almost every field we use computer. Different fields like education, research work, health and medicine, entertainment, business, etc. In almost every field we use computer. Now, without computer, we can't imagine our world. Though computer can do many things, but as a machine, it cannot do anything of its own. It needs data or instruction to give the meaningful information. So let us learn now about data or information. What is data or information? Information, yes. So what do you mean by data? Data refers to the raw facts and figures. Data refers to the raw facts and figures which does not convey any meaning, and it is the collection of numbers, characters and symbols. Now what do you mean by information? Information is the meaningful result which we get after processing the data. So first it takes the data, then it processes the data, then only we get meaningful result. So here for example, individually 3 and 4 are two numbers and plus symbol is used to add these two numbers, and altogether this can be data which the user needs to input, and after processing, means after calculation, we get the result 7, which is the meaningful result or output or information, you can say. Now what are the basic functions of computer? Children, we understood that computer needs instruction, then processes the data or instruction, then gives us the output. But apart from that, it can also store huge amount of information. So the basic functions of computer are input, means the data or instruction entered into a computer. Then processing means the actual work done. The data is converted into meaningful information with the help of CPU, the brain of the computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. This full form is very important. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, which considered as brain of the computer. And the actual work done inside the CPU is called processing. And after processing, we get the meaningful result, which is known as output. And storage means a large amount of information can be stored for the future use. This is also one of the important feature of a computer. So what are the four basic functions? Input, processing, output and storage. Now different devices used in a computer. So different devices are input devices, processing device, output devices and storage devices. What do you mean by input devices? The devices through which we enter data are called input devices. Processing device which helps to process the data. Output devices which gives the result after processing. And storage devices which help to store data or information. So a computer is made up of four types of devices: input devices, processing device, output devices and storage devices. Now it's assignment time. Go through the video and answer the following. First, define the following: computer, data and information. You have to write. You have to just define the definition. You can write. Then answer the following. Write the basic functions of a computer. Then list 4 different types of computer devices and write the full form of CPU. You can also go through the supplementary videos available under supplementary video playlist for more information, and thank you for watching the video.